It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more.
What would you tell yourself if you could turn back? I would tell younger me, take the time that you need just to breathe. Back then when we never had a worry, we were so naive. When I was a younger girl, I wasn't so hardened by the world. Why did I wanna be older? Now our youth is over. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel. Family barely had enough to get by. I used to think the limit was the sky. My imagination seemed to fade away, and I know I've seen better days. Wanna be innocent again, seen too much and I've lost a lot of friends. Never liked to watch my tongue, said what I wanted just to anyone. I miss being a kid, I never should have focused on trying to fit in. Being different was something that I should have cherished. I regret not listening more to my parents. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. Now I'm so cynical. My past problems don't seem so cruel, but I'll be
guys, welcome to the makeup tutorial. I just want to come here and just tell y'all that I did separate this makeup tutorial from the vlog. That when we was going to see my nephew it was his going away party, so I separated so this can just be a separate video for y'all guys. So I hope y'all guys enjoy it and just sit back and relax and just look at the makeup, honey. All right, I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Push that notification bell so you can get notified next time I put up a tutorial. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.
Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flood my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I wanted for so long. Never even I needed you this much, but some part of me thinks you've given up on us. Let's call a spade, baby. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's
Welcome to paradise. Bienvenidos al paraíso. Esta canción es para ti.
I see you brought another girl, but you still like me and I like you. Yeah, you just let them in your life, cause you're afraid of what you feel inside. No.
It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no.